Understanding woodcraft skills. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of woodcraft skills. This term might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also appreciate the artistry and practicality it involves. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore the intricate world of woodcraft. Woodcraft skills refer to the techniques and abilities one needs to work with wood. This doesn't just mean cutting or shaping wood, but also understanding its properties and how it can be used to create both functional and artistic items. It's an ancient craft that has evolved over centuries, adapting to the needs and technologies of different times. When we talk about woodcraft skills, we're talking about a blend of knowledge, practice, and respect for this natural material. In a world that's increasingly digital, you might wonder why woodcraft still matters. Well, woodcraft skills are not just about making things. They're about connecting with our past, being sustainable, and even improving mental health. It's a way to create with our hands, something deeply satisfying and grounding. Moreover, woodcraft promotes sustainability as it encourages the use of natural materials and teaches us to value and preserve our resources. Woodcraft encompasses a wide range of skills, but let's focus on a few key components. 1. Wood identification. Understanding the different types of wood, their properties, and how they can be used. 2. Tool mastery. Knowing how to use various tools safely and effectively, from simple hand tools to complex machinery. 3. Joinery techniques. Learning how to join pieces of wood together in a way that is both strong and aesthetically pleasing. 4. Finishing techniques. Mastering the art of finishing wood to protect it and enhance its natural beauty. Learning woodcraft skills can be a deeply rewarding experience. It's a journey that combines patience, precision, and creativity. You can start by attending workshops, watching tutorial videos, or even joining a local woodcraft community. Remember, every master was once a beginner, so don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. The key is to keep practicing and enjoy the process of creating something with your own hands. We hope this video has given you a valuable insight into the world of woodcraft skills. It's a fascinating craft that connects us with nature, our history, and our creativity. Whether you're looking to pick up a new hobby or simply appreciate the skill involved in woodworking, understanding woodcraft skills opens up a world of possibilities. So, keep exploring, keep creating, and don't forget to enjoy every moment of your woodcraft journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.